Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The 13th season of the Charles Chocolate Dance and Dynamite's competition was officially launched on the weekend, showcasing the vibe of what to expect for the new season. It was launched under the theme Clash 13, capturing the essence of the 13th season with giveaways to celebrate the milestone. The new season officially starts with the first audition at the Bargain Village Mall in Maypen.
Clash 13 is very fiery. It is at a super spectacular level, and we're loving it. So therefore it's going to be clash after clash after clash, and it's 13,000 every time because it's Clash 13. This year is big. We have our winners getting employment in hotels through the group Jam Dynamites, and we've been to so many hotels, from all the couple's family to Royal. We're talking about Royalton, Hilton. I could keep going on, and we're very excited about that, and thank the resorts for taking in the Dynamite. So therefore the winners will be a part of that, plus over 2 million in cash and prizes. And we're also now going to be in Ghana. So we're already in 21 Caribbean Islands. We're in the Tri-State. We're already in Canada, and now we're going to be in Ghana. So big things this year, and it's going to be spectacular. So line up your groups of threes. Get ready to bring it for Clash 13.
Dance and Dynamite has been able to honor us creative talent. I've been able to showcase our culture, dance culture, to the Jamaican people, utilizing Television Jamaica as a platform. It's exactly what we do. We educate, we entertain, and we provide a conversation for diverse viewers, both locally and internationally.
Sit down one corner. I will be a fine songs on big stage we want perform.
Dancehall artist Jamia is preparing for his first tour of the United States. The tour is set to hit 15 cities within a 3-week time frame. Arizona, Kansas City, Los Angeles and Minneapolis are just some of the stops on the Strongest Soldier US tour. Immediately following the US tour, Jamia will then shift his focus to Gambia, where he will perform at the Independence Stadium. The artist will also use the opportunity to take part in some charitable work while in the region. Jamia will also perform this Saturday, January 13, at the 25th anniversary of Rebel Salute. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.